Hi there. So we are going to be doing another song out of Essential Elements called Alouette. This is Essential Elements Book 1 for clarinet, and Alouette is number 61. And so what we're going to do is we're going to practice this 4 ways, and I'm going to lead you through each step. So the first step for practicing is we are going to clap and count the rhythm out loud. I'm going to put my metronome on 100, and I would love for you to join me. So here we go. 1, 2, clap and count. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now we are going to play that same rhythm on one note. So that's just so we can practice the rhythm without having to worry about changing notes yet. So I'm going to do an F, but you can play whatever note you want. Okay, here we go. So play a single note on this rhythm the whole time. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Good. Okay, now the third time through, we're going to finger and say the note name. So just to make sure we know what the notes are before we play the song, let's finger and say the note names together. So the first note is an F, and when I say it, I'm going to try to say it in time. So I'll put the metronome on. Let's see if we can say the notes and finger them at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. F, G, A, G, F, G, A, F, C, F, G, A, G, F, G, A, F. Let me hold that. Okay, great. Now the fourth and final time through, we are going to play the song as written. So first note again is F. And let's put our metronome on, and we're going to play together. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Great job. Okay, so practice that as many times as you need to master this song and have fun.